This car looked completely hopeless, caked in grime, an engine buried under layers of filth, and the smell inside, I won't even try to describe it. But we went in. Engine, interior, exterior, even ceramic coating, all that in under 2 hours. So stick around, what happens next might just shock you. First, we sprayed a powerful degreaser across the entire engine. Every corner, every hose, every hidden surface. Then came the pressure. High-pressure water chased the filth out of every crack. And also flushed the top cover. Next, we layered it in foam. Thick, clinging, doing the deep work. And then, the hands-on part. We took a clean microfiber cloth and wiped every surface with precision. No harsh tools, just focus. The final touch, a layer of professional-grade engine dressing. Not just for shine, but protection. It restores the dark finish on plastics and seals everything with a clean, factory look. With the engine reborn, it's time to face the outside. First, high-pressure rinse. Thick layers of dust, mud, and road grime peeled away like dead skin. Then comes the foam. Thick, heavy. It clung to the body like armor, breaking down everything the pressure missed. We wipe it all down with microfiber cloths. No scratches, no shortcuts. Panel by panel, line by line. Then, a final rinse to reveal the paint beneath. The surface is raw, clean, and ready. The car was already unrecognizable, but we still have one battlefield left, the interior. So we start with full vacuum aspiration. Not a quick sweep, we go deep. We pull out all the car mats to be cleaned with soap first. And then high-pressure water to finish it. Then comes the foam, applied section by section. And then, the final touches. We applied interior coating to protect the materials, block UV damage, and bring back that deep matte finish. Then we circled back outside to finish strong with the wheel coating. It seals the clean look, adds water resistance, and makes the whole car look like it just rolled out of a high-end showroom. From engine to exhaust, every inch of this car was revived. And we did it all in under 2 hours. And that's what we do at Total Clean every single day.